You know I like my chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. That's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. My house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, raw beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio sunrise. See the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio I like to see the sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of the precious child, know a mother's love. For my life and for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly, let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio I like to see the sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, know a mother's love. Get your little chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio I like to see the sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, see the touch of a precious child, know a mother's love. Thank you very much. My name is Katie Slagle, and I'll see you next time.